Hello guys and welcome back to another video of our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about comparison operators in Kotlin. Previously we have talked about arithmetic operators in detail. So today let's go to talk about comparison operators. As we can see in this definition, comparison operators in Kotlin are used to compare two values and its result will be either true or false. It depends to our values and the result will be either true or false. So in this table, in the left side, it is the list of comparison operator symbols that we are using in our codes to comparing two values. In here it is descriptions. So equal to means equal to, not equal to exclamation mark with equal to, it means not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. In here I have given an example for you to make you understand properly. I have declared two variables, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. So I have used from double equal to for checking is it equal to b or not, is equal to b or not, which is not, so the result will be false. In here a is not equal to, exclamation mark with equal to, a is not equal to, yes it is not equal to, the result will be true. A is greater than b, yes it is greater than b because 10 is greater than 5, it is true then. So in here a is less than b, no it is not, the result will be false. And in here I have a greater than equal to b, it should be either greater than or equal to b, then the result will be true. In here a is greater than b but it is not equal to b, but still it is true because one condition is true. In the next one we have a less than equal to b, which is false because a is either not equal to b or less than b, so it is false. I have talked everything about comparison operators, and to make you more understand about comparison operators, let's go to demo section and I will write some codes with examples to make you understand properly and get everything about comparison operators. See you guys. Now in demo section of our program, I have already created a project, comparison demo. You can also do that by clicking on file, new, click on project, name your project and select your language, click on create. Now in here I am declaring two variables and apply some comparison operators to see its results. And now val a equal to 10 and val b equal to 20. I'll use from print function to check is a equal to b or not. I'll use from is a equal to b, either it will be true or false. Use from $, bracket to write my comparison operator a equal to b. So let's print, click on run. No, because a is 10 and b is 20, the result will be false, they are not equal. Let's check some other comparison operators. What is the not equal to? Let's check from print function. I will write is a not equal to $, a not equal to b. From exclamation mark I have used, I will comment this, run. Is a not equal to b, b, let's check. Is a not equal to b? True. Yes, it is not equal to b. And let's check from greater than. Is a greater than b? Print function, check is a greater than b or not. Let's see. No, it is 10. A is 10 and b is 20. No, it is not, and the result is false. We can clearly see in here. Now I will comment this. Let's check is it less than b or not. A is less than b or not. Is a less than b, $, a less than b. Is a, yes, because a is 10 and b is of course 20, and it will be true because a is less than b. Let's see less than equal to, and I'll show you either it will be equal to or less than or greater than equal to. If any one of them will be true, the result will be true. So let's check. Print is a greater than equal to b, greater than equal a greater than equal to b. Let's see. No, it is false. Neither it is greater than b nor it is equal to b. The result will be false. You can see in here in console. Let's check the opposite of it. Print function is a less than equal to b. Less than equal to b. Let's see. Yes, it is true. Because a is 10 and b is 20, it is less than b, but it is not equal to. If any one of them would be true, the result will be true. You can see in here. Let's check by this. I'll make it 20 in here. I'll comment this one. I'll delete this comment. So in here it was false earlier. Now let's check. Now it is true, because it is equal to. It's not greater than, but it is equal to b, is equal to b, then the result will be true. So this was all about comparison operators. We will use comparison operators in if statements in many areas, and you will understand it properly by next programs, by next videos. So till now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you.